Meditation for abundance. Find yourself in a comfortable seated position. Legs can be crossed in Sukhasana, or if it's more comfortable for you, you can be seated on a chair. Wherever you are, place your hands on top of your knees, palms are face up, and fingertips are together as if they're in a cupped position. From here, close your eyes and begin by long, deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Expanding your belly as you inhale. And softly bringing your navel inwards towards the spine as you exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Focus on slowing down the breath, inhaling. And exhaling. Breathe, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more, inhaling. And exhale. Continue to breathe at your own pace. As you breathe, begin to connect to the feeling of abundance. What does that mean for you? What does it feel like? What does it look like? Abundance can mean different things to different people. Does abundance give you more time to spend with loved ones? Maybe it's an abundance of money or wealth. Having enough food on the table, a roof over your head. Whatever abundance means for you, feel it, see it, connect. Keep breathing. Feel it with every cell in your body. Connect with this feeling. And now, on your next inhale, breathe in this feeling of abundance. Hold the breath at the top of the lungs, letting this energy circulate. And then on your exhale, breathe abundance out, knowing there is more than enough to go around. Inhale. Breathe in abundance. Exhale. Share this energy with the world. Breathing in. Savor this feeling. Hold. Let it circulate. Exhale. Spread the abundance. Breathing in. Fill every cell in your body. Hold. Let it vibrate. Exhaling. Spread. Share. Inhale. Breathing abundance in, hold. Hold abundance in you. And exhaling, knowing there's enough to go around. Inhale. Focus. Hold the breath. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Concentrate, almost there, inhaling. Savor this moment in abundance. Hold. Exhale. Give it back into the world. Breathe in. Hold the breath. Vibrate. Savor. Exhale. Share. Spread. Inhaling. Exhaling. Last two, make it count. Take a deep inhale. Breathe in that feeling of abundance. Draw it in. Hold. Circulate. Vibrate. Exhaling. Breathe in. Hold the breath. Exhaling. From here, take a deep inhale breath. Hold the breath, then squeeze root lock. Squeeze your anus, sex organs, navel center. Squeeze. Pushing that energy upwards towards the third eye. Hold as you squeeze. Almost there. And then exhale powerfully out the mouth. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale. Hold the breath. Squeeze root lock. Squeeze anus, sex organs, and navel center. Squeeze. Pushing that energy upwards towards the head. Hold. Focus. Exhale. Final one. Inhale. Hold. Squeeze root lock. Feel that energy push upwards towards the head. And then exhale. Relax the breath. Now from here, place your palms together at the center of your chest, pushing your thumbs slightly in at the sternum, lifting up at the elbows. Feel gratitude for yourself for coming on your mat, doing your practice today. Feeling gratitude for all that you have. And gratitude to the earth and the universe for supporting you. Breathe in gratitude. And then exhale. Allow that feeling of gratitude to rise upwards into a smile on your face. Breathe in. Breathe out. And when you're ready, blinking your eyes open. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Today's meditation was very simple, but it was an effective way to bring yourself into the vibration for abundance. But if you're looking to really powerfully draw in prosperity into your life, check out this meditation.